So I got an internet second day winter vacation. Seems interesting, right? Hey, if you're new here, my name is Abhilash. I'm a second year undergrad at NIT Durgapur. I'm in home right now. I just reached home 3 days before and I'm going back today cause I got an intern. I'll explain everything about how I got, where I got, everything within some time. Now let's go back. I'm going to remove this now because I have to take my tripod and keep it inside. Before I get into how I got where I got the intern, I want to make this point so clear that I am not from any circular branches. I am from the Department of Metallurgical and Material Science. I'm sure most of you are hearing this branch for the first time, and even if you know, you are considering this branch to be very low. Even I did thought the same, so no worries, but the reality is totally different. If you think I have to make a video about it, just comment below something like "Mummy, shucks." And we are going from Kanyakumari to Bhopal, and you gotta see that within 60 seconds. Let's see. Going on metro for the first time. Go to Stroytelling. Going to catch Bhopal train now. This is army officer. This is police. This is politician. Just to miss that gal is sleeping. Mother should try it. We reached Bhopal. So it all started in the first semester where I got invited to iitlife. So in short saying how I got invited, so I have uploaded a video called My Honest JEE Journey Feet Hard Work. In that I have mentioned that I am from Kanyakumari. And there was this professor from IIT Dhanbad from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, also Academic Dean Faculty of IIT Dhanbad, is also from Kanyakumari. As he knows, there is no coaching center, no exam centers. Almost negligible people have knowledge about NITs and IITs. So he was happy to see a boy from his place and he called me to visit him in IIT Dhanbad. Later we became a very close friend. I have uploaded a video about this same before. If you want, check that out. Let's keep this aside. In my second semester, I was having a conversation with this senior and I will try to replicate exactly what he said. See Abhilash, your CGPA is very low. It's just 7. You are not from any circular branches, you are from metallurgy department. If you want good package, you want to maintain a very good CGPA. Even if you maintain a good CGPA, you have to get internships, projects, and in your department, getting an internship is impossible. So at least try to maintain a good CGPA. After that conversation, 2 things were clear in my mind. First thing is, I have to improve my CGPA and I am already working on it. The second thing is, internship. And it's obvious, on-campus internship is going to be tough. And I'm thinking, if I start searching from now, maybe by the end of 3rd year, I can get an internship. And after doing some research, I created my own CV and emailed to every institutes and companies who are recruiting interns. And you guessed it right, no one actually replied. And then I approached my department professors and requested them to use their name as a reference in my CV and no one agreed. Until I made a call to this IIT Dhanbad professor and he didn't just agree to use his name as a reference but also gave me a bonus. He mentioned 2 institutes and said to email them. And again you guessed it right, I got a reply from the scientist from one of those institutions that professor mentioned, CSIR Ambri Bhopal, who have 38 institutions all over India and is the only government institute in the top 100 global institutions. So that's how I got an intern in my third semester while switching for an intern in third year. But I was not proud of getting an intern at third semester. Instead, I felt proud of my place. I have always blamed my place for not giving me a proper environment to prepare in my JE days. But the same place have got me a bigger opportunity this time. So never blame your surroundings for you to achieve. It's just you and your mindset. Bas. Who knows? Maybe you are the next big thing from your place. Like how this famous dialogue got shifted from powerful people come from powerful places to powerful people make places powerful.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible.